Hey Anishinaabe students, today we're going to review 15 sight words. Most of these are decodable sight words, which is awesome because that means you can use your skills that you learned in phonics and apply it to these words. So those are words, for example, like the word on. Look at short O, ah, n, on. Decodable, easy peasy lemon squeezy. This word says it, it. This word says in, in. This word says and, and. Ooh, this word has a digraph. Look at that. And remember, a digraph is two letters that make one sound. And this sound is th, a, t, that. This word is his. Look at is, his. I guess this makes a Z sound instead of an S, which is a little confusing. So maybe we should put his, but it's like is. Is. Which pile do you think his belongs in? This word is he. Now, some of you may not have learned that when there isn't a consonant at the end of the word, that this is an open sound that says e. This word says he. Okay, here come the toughies. Are you ready? I know you're up for a challenge. You've been out of school and resting for a long time. Okay, this word says for. You just have to memorize it. For, like a gift for you. For. This word is R, like the pirate word R. But you know what? It's difficult. It's really difficult. You have to remember that A-R-E spells R every single time. And when you see it, you remember and read R. Lots of people say just don't think about those letters, but that never made sense to me because it is a whole word and you have to remember that it says R. This word, you know the first sound. The word is was. So, but again, you have to remember that it is was. So W-A-S spells was. Ooh, there's that digraph again. It says th, and then the last letter says So this word is the. But you have to remember T-H-E spells the. But you can remember the decodable right here. Ooh, we used this one already, but we didn't read it. It says Y-O-U and it spells you. You always have to remember that Y-O-U spells you, especially if you're looking for something on YouTube. And this word says of. This is a hard word to remember for some reason. It was for me when I was growing up, but it's of. You can do it. I did it. You can do it. So these are the words we're going to review. In back of me, I have read-a-row, okay? And I'm going to take a picture of this, and then I'm going to have you record yourself reading the rows, okay? But we're going to go over these one more time, all right? The first word here is the, of, you, and to, in, is, for, that, it, he, was, his, on, are, the, of, you, was, are. I know you can do this. You're going to be excellent readers. I can't wait to see you when we get back to school.